person who has been arrested and remanded at Capitol Hill Police Station is a case of mistaken identity.
We maundu ti mahuthu na ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka maundu matironekana ta marathie uria turenda ta a Kenya gucokia thutha hanini. Department eno ya borithi ni rakorirwe giclaim to have arrested muborithi uria rakorirwe akihura rithathi Boniface Kariuki muthenya Farigishi makiuga ni arakorirwe akinyitwo na ageikio in police custody. Kenyans also ni marakoretwo makihota kuonania uthio wa muborithi uyu by the name Barasa Masinde no kuri na gicajama giagikorwo gigituthurwo ni lawyer wa muborithi uyu uria wagikorwo akiaria na andu a media. Uthi wa muborithi uyu wari covered koguo in the crime scene Kenyans matiahotire kuona uthi wake no thutha mutheri ni mahotire gukorwo makiringithania bica na magikorwo makihota ku identify. No riu lawyer wa Barasa arauga yes, Barasa was at the crime scene but dagikorirwa pull the trigger, akiuga hiyo ni case ya mistaken identity.
So the person who has been arrested and remanded at Capitol Hill Police Station is a case of mistaken identity.
We Kenyans are furious. Yarakaru na tu yakorwa agicokia akiuga the shooter was caught in 4K HD clear, anakula tu pesa za huyo police. Huyo akauga we are tired of gaslighting, it's like a Nigerian movie. Do you think lawyer uyo wa muborithi uyo wake hurithe mwanake Boniface Kariuki rithathi ni araria ma ni gwenda gukorwo ngeigwa mawoni maku tondu onani ndigitwo uria utigitwo tukorwo tukiaraniria down the comment section. Agikorwo video citu ni iragukinyira na njira area njega no gakorwo ugikenio ni maria turakorwo tukimatha, make sure ni turn that notification on no ga subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ndukahitũkagwo ni video citu. Tucemanie na wa next one.